Are you always finding yourself handling problems today and never working on things for tomorrow? Well, today we're going to talk about why that happens and how to fix it. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I am Neil Winteregg, joined as always by Dr. Greg Winteregg, CEO of Matterhorn Business Development. You can find out more about his book, Fun at Work, down below. That is going to apply to some of what we're talking about here today. Also down below, we have a new group coaching program that is going to be launching very soon. There is a wait list to be in the group. So if you would like to learn more about that or be on the wait list, there will be some information in the description so that you can take part of that.
Be there or be square.
This is 1990 schoolyard.
I knew that would make you laugh.
Yes. Let's edit that part out.
Leave it.
So today, one of the things that we're going to talk about, we've mentioned this in the channel before about strategic planning, etc. And that's actually one of the things that our group coaching thing is probably going to be talking about is creating your plans, etc. Yep. But there's an important element to that I want to cover with strategic planning and with thinking in the future. And what I mean by that is that you have to be operating your business now, actually from a position of the future. So your strategic plan cannot be, how do I handle today's problems or tomorrow's problems or the problems on that one job or project that we have, but how do we forward think and look at what we're going to be running into and creating a plan to handle those types of things?
Well, and I'll tell you, you're exactly right. And really amongst what I call the 4 pillars of business basics, marketing, sales, delivery, and management, the one that requires the most planning really is marketing, because marketing actions and activities take some time, 6 weeks, 8, 10, 12 weeks before they can really get traction, before you can really start to evaluate. And you have to plan down the road. And so someone will say, like we're in Florida, it's a seasonal business. Like let's say our landscaper and yard mowing company. It's a seasonal business. Okay, well then what we need to do is we need to be planning a marketing campaign at least 90 days in advance. So you have to be looking down the road and not get stuck into the day-to-day franticness of, oh, we need to change our website. Oh, we need to do this on social media. Oh, we need to do this. We need to do that. And it just seems like it's just a panic almost to get something done without any particular strategy of where we're going and why we're doing it.
Yeah, and the other thing that I want to mention about it is usually what I see business owners doing is operating in the past.
Yes.
The problems that you're having now from old projects, old jobs, old customers, whatever it might be, are actually handling things that happened a while ago. Or I meet business owners all the time, you know, we're in Q2, Q3, and they're waiting to get the information about Q1 back from their accountants. I've talked about this before.
So they can make a decision.
So you can find out, should we do something? I don't know, let's see how we did in February. Oh, by the way, it is September, you know, and you're actually operating 6 months past. And then you also don't know if things that you changed after that did work or did not work because you're waiting to hear back on something. So this is why planning for the future and thinking ahead is going to get you a lot further than just solving today's problems or next week's problems. You should already have a plan for 2021. Your strategic plan should already take into account what's happening in 2021. Mm-hmm. And if you're waiting for something else to dictate that to you, then you're in trouble.
Well, and Neil and I have taken our cars to the track before, and there's this one instructor that we really like. Remember Bryn? When we were out in the rally cars? He was talking about looking forward. Look up the track. Because if you're only looking 10 or 20 or 30 yards in front of you, you're going to go slow. But if you're looking forward down the track, looking ahead as to where you're going, now you can expect what's going to happen down the road. And this is very, very similar to that. You have to be looking forward with all of your strategic planning. And then your action plans today have to be going in that direction of that strategy.
So you have to have your end goal and then work towards that and not just think of today's goal. Most people just get through today and then I've got tomorrow to sort this other thing out.
Right.
You're always going to be behind. You're always going to be figuring out. You're always going to be struggling and handling the next fire to put out in your business if you don't have a clear-cut plan on how to make sure that never happens again and think forward into the future.
Absolutely.
So I hope you learned something new today. If you did, tell us your thoughts down below. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We do 3 videos a week, and we are here to help you think outside the box and expand your business, and for free. So this is the best advice you're gonna get today on YouTube, I promise. We'll see you next time.